Today I'm going to show you how to add a neon glow effect to your portrait images in Photoshop. The first step is go to File and create a new document. I'll make the width 4096 pixels, the height 2730 pixels, the resolution 72 pixel inch, the color mode RGB color 8-bit, and the background contents black. Then click Create. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded, and place the model image. Hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. Go to Select and choose the subject. Go to the Layer panel. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Polygon tool. Click on your image and create a polygon shape. Make the width 2140 pixels, the height 1609 pixels, and the number of sides 3. Then click OK. Click the Flip Vertical icon. Click the Fill and choose the No Color. The Stroke, select the white color. And the stroke shape 30 pixels. When you're done, close the properties. Press and hold Ctrl key and drag the shape to a position you like. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl J. Select the layer below it. Click the FX icon and choose the stroke. Make the size 21 pixel, the position outside, the blend mode normal, and the opacity 100%. From the drop-down, select the gradient. Click the gradient box. Click lower left color stop icon. And the color, type in FF0900. Click to add color stop icon. The location, 30%. And the color, type in FF251A. Click to add color stop icon again. The location, 60%. And the color, type in 0000FF. Click lower right color stop icon. And the color, type in 1751FF. Then click OK on both windows. Uncheck the reverse, the style, linear, the angle, 5 degree, and scale, 100%. Then click OK. Right-click and choose the Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose the Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius to 60 pixels. Then click OK. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the top layer copy. Then Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Brush tool. Click to open the brush picker, and choose the hard round brush. The opacity, 100%. And the flow, 100%. Make sure the foreground color is black. Then click OK. Hold Ctrl and click on the mask thumbnail of the model layer, to make a selection around subject. Select the mask of the top layer copy. To resize your brush quickly, press left and right square bracket key. And paint with black over the subject, to hide the shape. When you're finished, select the mask of the layer below, and paint with black to hide the effect. Remove selection, go to Select and choose the Deselect. Hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the top layer copy, to make a selection around the shape. Then select the mask of the model layer. Click the foreground color, and choose the black. Then click OK. To invert selection, go to Select and choose the inverse. And paint with black to erase the extras. To remove selection, go to Select, and choose the Deselect. Create a new layer. Click to open the brush picker and choose the soft round brush. The opacity, 50%, and the flow, 50%. Click the foreground color, and choose the blue color. Then click OK. Hold Ctrl and click on the mask thumbnail of the model layer, to make a selection around subject. And paint with blue, to add some soft glows. Click the foreground color, and choose the red color. Then click OK, and begin adding the effect one more time. Change the blend mode to soft light. Decrease the opacity to 72%. To remove selection, go to Select and choose the Deselect. Select the top layer. Press ctrl+shift+alt+e to copy merge all layers. Then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and open the Camera Raw filter. Select the basic. I'll make temperature -12. The tint +25. The exposure +0.25. The contrast +25. The highlights -13. The shadows +13. The blacks +13. The clarity +15. and the vibrance, +10. Select the calibration. In the red primary, make the hue, -10, and the saturation, +15. In the green primary, make the hue, +15. In the blue primary, make the hue, -9, and the saturation, +15. Then click OK. And this is the result.